Here's how I ground. So barefoot, I plant my feet firmly into the ground. Your feet can be close together or apart. And then I start my meditation. In my mind, I visualize a stream going from the earth's core directly into my feet, into my body, and above, connecting me to the earth's energies and to the cosmos. And I stay there for as long as I need to absorb this energy.